Okay, y'all. So we waiting at 2 o'clock. We on the east side, you know, big east side stuff. And we viewing this house, right? And I'm looking in the window. Shit, why the fuck they got mice traps?
Got me fucked up.
That's ghetto as fuck. Like, y'all should have had that shit in the description. The fuck, or else I wouldn't have came. I can't do no fucking mice. I can't do no fucking mice. But we gonna take y'all on a little tour once we get in this hole. Cause what? The mice threw me off. Yo, shit is crazy. Hold on. So I don't want nobody seeing where the low at. That's the living room. That little ass living room.
It's little as fuck.
Bitch, look at the shit. Oh. I could have sworn they had 2 living rooms in this house.
Dude, you got me fucked up.
You see how little that is, though? Do you see how little it is?
Yes.
Like, what the fuck y'all got going? And they ghetto as fuck already. Like, why y'all ain't put in the description? Y'all have roaches and shit.
This a roach.
It's like mice traps. At least there ain't none dead on that bitch, but damn.
You better not say no damn roaches. Fuck, I don't have roaches, but you'll never see me in that bitch. Fuck.
That living room looked like the size of a fucking room.
The more shut up. The fuck you think she can do it?
But alright, y'all. Once whatever the landlord or ghetto ass landlord get here, I guess we gonna see you. So
she got to 205.
Right. Or we out of here, bitch, because I already want to be out of here because of roaches and shit. It's like not the roaches, because of mice traps. Like what the fuck?
In this bitch on, bro, I'm not coming here.
Yeah, me either.
Play with roaches, bitch.
Next house to be looking at. But we'll be back. Oh, it's hot up here. Well, I like the rooms. The rooms are decent sizes.
This box needs this room.
Let me see what happened. Okay. I like the big mirror. We need a lot of bleaching and stuff. Okay. Look, Tamari, this could be a studio. What are you talking about? Tamari, look. This could be a studio. Yeah. Wrapping this shit like I don't know. It's just the bathroom for me. I can't have no funky ass bathroom like that. It's nice, but damn. Wait, Tamari, look at this. Look at the closet. This would definitely be my shit. Look at the closet. This could be this fire.
This could be a studio right here.
Yeah, but I just can't have my bathroom looking like this. Don't care.
Oh, what the fuck is in that one downstairs?
No, it's toilet cleaner. It's just been there for a while. Oh no, it's not that bad. It's just. But you could have this room. Fucking talk about it.
Come this way. You just said this the one that we.
No, but I said that room. It's a decent size. And look at the walk-in closet. Look at the closet.
Okay, but you think a queen size?
Yes. I like how you put your snacks up there. You put your snacks. I didn't see it. You put your snacks up there.
I'm putting my snacks inside my bed.
No, I like the room though. This side.
Mommy, this is not my room.
What room would you want?
Come this way.
I want something.
I'm not gonna do it.
This is too big.
It's too big.
I want this room.
You like this room?
Yeah. I like it.
It's small.
Yeah, I like small things.
You like small things?
Yeah.
I like the closet, real big. I'm coming, Bookie. Hey y'all, so today I just decided to put my son's crib up. He's gonna be born real soon and time is really flying, okay? It's already March 1st, so yeah, I'm about to put his pack and play up to see what it's like. And it's really cool because it's 3-in-1. It's a pack and play. There's a bassinet. You take different parts off. It's a whole lot of cool stuff. So anyway, My daughters is trying to help me, my little helpers. So we finna get right into this video, and I'm finna put all this stuff up because, like I said, he will be here soon. He was gonna have his own room, but we gotta move first. So yeah, we're gonna move after I have him and settle in, and after the 6 weeks and stuff. But yeah, y'all, continue watching. So you guys, I was trying to figure out how the heck do I open this. Like, I'm so confused, y'all. I ain't put up baby stuff in a while since my last daughter, which was 2 years ago. But yeah, we finna get right into this. The color is black and gray. It's real cute. I really love it. I got this from Walmart, and it was only $80 to $90. I don't remember, but I know it wasn't much. But y'all, look at me struggling. Like, I was trying to figure out how the heck do I get this thing up, you know, like the edges around. That junk was folding and it would not snap. So I'm like, Lord Jesus, how I do this thing? I just need a Lord Jesus. I don't need no man to help me, but I sure need to start watching and looking at the instructions, okay?
When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was there, would you find or would you try to get it? Tell me now, but I want you to be there, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be NGLE outside hanging out the window with my wretched ass friends. I'm L-R-E-E, full nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no full nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again, outside hanging out the window with my wretched ass friends.
As you can see, y'all, I done gave up. I'm like, let me look at the instructions, because I really don't know what the hell I'm doing. So yeah, I put out the instructions, and the whole time, y'all, I had to lift it up, the middle part up, just to snap it. And I'm just like, Lord Jesus, why did they make it so difficult? Like, I wish I would have been known that, because I wouldn't be struggling and getting frustrated. Like, look at my poor baby trying to help me, y'all. Okay, y'all, that was today's video. The house, I ain't want it. Yo, when I say it have mice traps all over and throughout it, yeah, I'm good. But anyway, y'all, I put up my son's pack and play because I was really bored. I just wanted to see what it looked like, and it just is what it is. I was bored. He gonna be here soon, so I put it up. Mostly everything of his gonna be put up, but y'all know the vibe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, click that bell. More videos to come, so stay tuned. And thank you for 15K. Lord Jesus, not no 15K, 1,500 plus subscribers. Mwah.